welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot, where insight takes flight. And today we are looking into the reading of my lovely Virgos. It is an earth element, and you can look into this reading by referring to your sun sign, to your moon sign, or your rising sign as per your astrological charts. So, first I will be pulling out some oracle cards that will help you for looking into this insights for the month of June for my dear Virgos. Thank you. We have our card. We will pull one out from this. Yes, this one. This one. Yes. So the first card. High honor. Okay, number 25. Okay, so you will be honored. That is what is coming up in the month of June. You will be highly honored, as if there will be a sort of arrangement where people will come to celebrate you or your achievements, that what you have achieved is so good that people will come and applaud you. Yes, we have protection in number 1. Okay, so I can see, my dear Leos, you will my dear Virgos, you will be at your home mostly in the month of June, and you will be at your comfort. Maybe you will be at your, or maybe you will be with your persons, with someone who you love, whom you care, and someone who care you back. I can see you being this child, laying very innocently and very vulnerable, but as if she is her mother, and he is relaxed. So I can see something related to your mother as well. You will feel very good in her company. Yes, we have deceit. Okay, so while I was preparing this reading, I accidentally got my eye upon this card, but as I shuffled right in front of you, this card came up. Okay, so it has something to do with you. Okay, so my dear Virgos, I can see that you have been deceived, and that you have been somewhere deceived financially. You have been deceived, you have been backstabbed, I can see. Yes, and there was something that is going to be protected. You are protected in the month of June by this deceit. And as you can see, the coins are flashing out of his hand, and he has a certain, something in his eyes that is making me curious. So I can see there are some people who are eyeing upon you. There are some people who are looking you in a certain way, and they absolutely do not have any good intentions about you. So my dear Virgos, you need to be careful about these peoples, because I can, about this situation and this person, because I can see that you have been through these phases, through these situations, through these moments where you have felt like that situation, or maybe that person, or maybe that whole thing had caused you some betrayal, or has caused you some, I would say, yes, the betrayal is the term. Okay, we will pull out for more guidance. What is, my dear Virgos, that need to know? Okay, we have our cards. What is that my dear Virgos need to know for their month of June? What they can expect? Thank you. Yes, we'll take this. And this one as well. So we have these cards that popped right out. Page of Cups. Someone's coming in, my dear Virgos, for you. Someone giving you something. 6 of Cups. See, again, this is the card of charity, and this is the card of, someone helping, someone donating to the one, that was the confirmation. Someone pouring into the one who is in the need. So I can see at this moment I'm picking up, my dear Leos, my dear Virgos. Why do I keep saying Leo? My dear Virgos, that you are in the position that right now you need help, and you are in the month of June, and you also had someone in your past that was helping you with something, maybe not very big help, but it was some amount of help that they were doing, but it is not something that is sufficient for you, that I'm picking up. Let's see for what we have. Nine of Pentacles. Wow. My dear Virgos, in the month of June, you will be feeling a sense of abundance, a sense of protection, a sense of high honor within you. We have your significator as high honor, and you are being honored for the attributes that you have, for being so loyal, for being so good, such a good person, such a helpful person, that people have taken advantage of you and they have caused you loss, they have caused you a betrayal, and that was something that was beyond your control, obviously. But I can see that you are being provided the results, and you are provided with the help and the financial abundance in the month of June, because you have so selflessly given out to the people, and now it is your time to receive it back. Yes, this is the last card that we have. Page of Pentacles. Okay, and we have so many Pentacles energy here. We have coins here, we have full Nine of Pentacles and a Page of Pentacles. That is again a financial opportunity. So you can expect someone, as I'm mentioning throughout, that there is someone who is going to come with some help. Previously there was someone who maybe have helped you with something, but it was not, something big or something very lucrative that would have caused you a major change. But now I can see someone with something major. Nine of Pentacles, it is a full garden of flowers, while you were at a place where there was no such flower anywhere uh, beyond sight, and now you are stepping into this month with this energy, and you are experiencing so much abundance, so much bliss, and things that you were worried about, things that you were, somewhere, not somewhere, mostly I'm seeing that you were so much confused about the things, that how they are going to work, because there are people who just are not respecting the way you are, and now it is the time that the universe is coming in to lend you a hand, and they are coming in with the help of financial abundance. Also, for some of you, if this is related to your business, if this is related to you starting something new, or maybe you have a shop, or maybe you have something that you are yet to open or yet to launch, I can see you are doing this in the month of June, and it is going to happen by the help of someone who is very wealthy, who have the resources, who have the opportunities with them, and they are going to offer them to you. Yes, that is what is coming up for my dear Virgos, and that is so beautiful, that you are being helped, your efforts are being recognized, your good deeds with people are coming back to you full circle. Beautiful. So, last but not the least, we have our guidance cards, and we will look into the guidance that my dear Virgos need to have. An extra layer in the month of June, what they can expect. Thank you. Yes, we have our card. And it says, meditation brings answers. Definitely it does. Okay, so what I can see, my dear Leo, my dear Virgos, you need, or maybe you are surrendered. You are, and we have seen this throughout. People have came, people have defeated you, they have not appreciated you, and whatever struggles that you are facing right now, they are not just turning in your favor, and you have surrendered completely to whatever forces you subscribe to. But now, as you have surrendered, you have opened yourself to something that is much and much larger. Can you see this rainbow illuminating out from this angel? It means that your angels are coming through, as if they were just testing you, they were just asking you to surrender. And now, as you have, you will get all the answers that are required for this financial abundance to come in. That is a very, very, very beautiful reading that I have done, and I hope you liked this reading. This is where I see you at your reading, and I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please like, comment, and subscribe. And We will see you in your next reading. Bye bye.